In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Threads app. This video is only for educational purposes only. So go to your Play Store or Apple Store. So I'm going to go to my Apple Store because I'm using my Apple Store. So you're going to just come on here. What you need to do, you need to come on and type in Threads. So Threads by Instagram. So what you need to do now, so once it has opened up, this is the second option. You're going to click on the get. So once you click on the get, you're going to be asked if you love to download it. So I'm going to just click on it to see an option where you'd see download. So I'm going to click on download. It's 75 MB, so I'm going to click on it. I'm going to wait for it to download. And once it is done downloaded, or like once it is done downloading, I'm going to install it to my device. Okay, right now you can see I've been able to download the Threads app here on my device. I'm going to just click on open to install it. So I'm going to click on open. So you can see this is it. So I'm going to go back. You can see Threads is currently installed here on my device. So I'm going to open it. So what you need to do, you can be able to join with Instagram. So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.